Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Django provides a powerful permissions framework that allows you to control access to your views based on different criteria. Class-based views, cbvs, in Django can leverage this framework to manage permissions more effectively. This tutorial will guide you through the process of implementing class-based permission checks in Django. Step 1. Setting up Django project. First, ensure that you have Django installed. If not, you can install it via pip. Now, create a new Django project and a new app. Next, add your app to the installed_apps in settings.py. Step 2. Create a model. We'll create a simple model in myapp/models.py that we can manage permissions for. After creating the model, run the following commands to create the migration and apply it. Step 3. Create a view with permission checks. Django provides built-in permission checks, and we can also create custom permissions. For this example, we will use Django's built-in permissions. 1. Create a view that requires permission to add an article. Step 4. Configure URLs. Now, configure your app's URLs to include the newly created view. Don't forget to include your app URLs in the project's URL configuration. Step 5. Create templates. Create a simple form template for adding articles. Step 6. Create permissions. You need to create a permission for the article model. You can do this in the Django admin or define it in the model's meta class. Add the following meta class to your model. After updating the model, run the following commands to create and apply the migration. Step 7. Create a super user and assign permissions. Create a super user to access the Django admin. Log into the admin panel, /admin, and assign the add_article permission to a user or group. Step 8. Test the permission check. Start your Django server. Visit http://127.0.0.1:8000/article/add/ while logged in with a user that has the add_article permission. You should be able to see the form to add an article. If you try to access this page without the required permission, you will get a 403 forbidden error. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to implement class-based permission checks in Django using the permission-required mixin. This approach allows you to secure your views effectively based on user permissions. You can further customize permissions and extend this functionality as needed for your project. Feel free to expand upon this example with more complex permission scenarios, custom permissions, and additional features.